any CDS view, right? If the performance is good, then check like this. HANA statement has so let's select this. I am looking for one queries like native SQL. So native SQL will be generated like this. See here, this display execution plan. Here is the like this is the native SQL. It's generated in backend. And here you can show execution plan, here column search, join, column table, and column text. So here join, what are the join is used left outer one to many. Left outer one to many. Okay. So here it because I'm taking the records from item also. So it will be many, not one. Inner join. Here it is inner join. Okay, inner join. So here should it come actually. Where actually coming. What is yeah, display execution plan? Well, execution plan. Suppose this one. Here our SAM 01. SAM 01, right? This SQL is this email is called here. This location. Why it's called this email? Yeah, this one I'm looking from. So here, how this is the native SQL HANA database, like how it is called. These are the fields, and this is the view name, and this is IANDP. This is by default. So this will like project which is the next table, and here filter. So you can see here inner loop, right? Inner loop is executed, correct? Now what I will do, I will create one more series, so I will not disturb this one. In backend, how it is called, like I want to select CDS and for inner join in both table there is a spot, then it's for inner join. something of it. And so here's sample data source. That I will do simple. Okay, so get up, I dump it. Now I don't have any values. This is header. This is header. This is header. Okay, and we got from header, right? So this one, this serious view or I'm calling in our program. Now I will check uh, how the how this is generated. Okay, this inner loop. It's execution plan in SAP. So I yeah, now I will deactivate display trace. So here our CDS view is called. So I want to check what is algorithm plan. Yeah, join is there, right? Only one, correct? And filter condition. It what? So what is the what? Here I am saying one one is to n is the left outer join. It will get joined when don't trace data from right hand side table. This is for left outer join. Here join I can explain. Uh, sorry, sorry, indicates port exist in port right hand side and left hand side. This is called inner join. So that's why here it is joining main one. Why one? This is left, this is right. Right. Don't have any duplicate. Let's close this. Okay, we are taking from header. So now it will fall only header one, but there will be a join because I have put the inner join. Suppose I will put left outer join. So I will create a new session and test those part. What is now I'm going to display this. Yes, not get it. Now this is our very left column. Yeah, now this will I want to explain how it works. This is join condition one to many. One and one places many one. Item, first it will take the item having many records, and header will be having single record. Because in header only one sales order here, and in item there will be like for one sales order there will be multiple items. So it is many to one. So by default, system will take care of all these things, and it will many to one card means cardinal part. Okay, and yes, if I'm going left outer join, where it is, yeah, left outer join one to many. One to many means header, like this. header, header having single record, and item having multiple record. So like this, it's working. So now what I'm uh, okay, this is the condition. First header. So now I will reverse it. Head, head. for left outer third. Okay. Now I'll close this. Now check this. Left outer, one to many, header and item. Correct. Now again I will run it because many people confuse things while writing on condition. But they like sometimes they will confuse and they are also done mistake actually. Because here we have item header. Suppose there is a material, I make it uh, Mara table, right? In Mara table, if material is not there, right? And material description, suppose material description is not there, then sometimes this inner and sometimes it will not behave properly. So first we have to understand like how to make the join and how it works in backend. So I'm going again. I will open this. I will keep open this. I will generate one more session. When I will explain this association, right? Then you can like association. So like I will go here and execute this. Okay. Now we display trace execute. This is our loop. It's called. Yeah. So here. One, two, okay. Copy this. Yeah, first item, second header. Okay. File. Activate that. Now, see that many to one. Now it is reversed, right? Item is item emblem is many in item table many and header will be one. It is reverse. It is reversed, right? So it depends on your requirement how you want to join. And here, if I will mention, yeah, one more syntax is there. Yeah, for left outer is that, right? One to n and n to n. It's the same they have written like that. This is the important point. When to one join is used, one joint, not multiple joint. Only one joint is used. I have one joint and specify the cardinality left outer joint. Select no contents in field from right hand side. Right. Then optimization take place. Aggregation function count is used for optimization take place. And this is also one aggregation function count. How much number of record. So this one, the right hand side. Suppose this is the item, left hand side. This is right hand side. And here left hand side, this is the right hand side. And right. Suppose I will make this header here and header here. Okay. Suppose item. And I am expecting record from header, not from item. Then how it should be left outer joint, right? Not inner joint. Only in the only for the left outer joint. How it works. What is this error? Okay. Yes. Search help. So how it behaves? Go again and run XB05. Activate this is arguments. So deactivate trace, display trace, execute. Now this seven. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I want to explain here one thing next. Actually, when I am taking record from left hand side, This should not come actually. Why this document something else or what? Standing order. Okay, let's move on. So what happened actually? So if you are not taking a record, so here is taking from item, it is taking record, right? From item, and it is being left outer join the header. Okay, and you can see here in header, it is not taking any records. So this right hand side snap, there is a no join coming because the field is not taken from uh, the right hand side table. So not come, so I did some mistakes from later on. So this is my concept, and now here join is taking place, and now you can explicitly you can define two many join and two one join. If you are defining two many join, suppose I am defining left outer join, left outer join, outer join. This one later I will somewhere condition. Then so this one is our sales order, but and here I and then yeah, there is two record, correct? Now there is two record. This one also you can run here and check how it's called ST profile. ST profile and activate things and you can execute it. Get one to record. Now display trace. This is our sample. Uh, here, here we didn't get. Now I got it. Okay. Okay, but here spinner loop is happened. Spinner join happen. It works like inner right side inner loop. Works. It works like inner join. It is converted as a inner join. Now one join. One join. So now check what is the data we do. data. You can see previously you got two line of code. Now you are getting one line of code. It works as one speed 40 parts. But now this one. Okay. Now compare it. So 5. Similar record. Here make trace, here trace. See here. So there is no join performed because you are reading data from header table and as you are just one join only you want. So as system read system check like there is no data you have taken from EP. Let's check uh, let's check some data or start from EP, right? And there is a single record. In item, there is a two record, header, there is a one record. So only data is from DBA. DBA. It is not database, is not going to table GDA to pick the data. So this is like optimization. So now I will show you. So by yeah, it's not activated. So, now it is taking three record. Correct? Now I will go and activate trace, display trace. So now here you can say nested loop inner side inner loop is happened in the right hand side because you have only added this one portion from the item, right? So system decide that now it went to the item table, so it takes the item from the both table and join is successfully executed. So you can here see this portion full item. This is item two portion. So like that works in the backend and joins work in the backend. So this one is Yeah, this one is like count start as in suppose you want to check how many record, correct? So start, start, start. Yes. So, okay, here I am putting one job. Let me have what is it? See, there is one record. It is coming. Right now, I'm so there will be two record. Yes, there is a number of record, two record. So now this is left outer join, right outer join. Now I'm coming to association. So what is difference between join and association? Right? Anyone knows difference between join and association? You can say association is like a demand on join. Association is working as demand and best demand based join. Or like we can say is join. And one more thing, it will start with this alias. Alias. So now I will go another. I will click on more CDS group. Then we will copy this one. Store. Yes. So yes, sir. So yeah, here I will put association. 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 Wow. And whenever you are doing association, you have to keep like this dependency. Item dot name. Yeah. Yeah. This is the syntax for the association. Now I'm putting a star, so it will take by default one. I'm not giving like star means. So yeah, this what star does means star star means like you have minimum and maximum, right? So like cardinality. Suppose in header table there is zero record, right? So we can mention as a uh, zero dot dot, and there will be n number of records in the item table. So 0 is to 1. Suppose in header there will be one record, and in item there will be multiple record. And what will be possible cardinality? And then in header there will be multiple record, but in the item table there will be a single record. So this one is best example our currency, right? So we have the amount in our transaction table, right? But as per like the currency INR in the header table, there will be INR only single record. So 1:1. So like this, are cardinality, different type of cardinality. So star means minimum. Minimum is 0. So 0 dot dot. It will take means if in header table there is a no record, item table there is a record, then also it will display the record. If there is item table there is a record and header table there is no record, then also it will display the record. So this one is by default. Well, so like this it works. And now if you are giving header, right? Header is one. Yeah. Okay, not yet. Start, start. So now also you will get the same result. Okay, here okay. Okay, now I will include data. See a two record. I am getting it. Now what I will do? I will here as for okay. So there will be one-to-one relationship between the two tables. Cardinality is like a one-to-one relationship, like a relation between the two tables. How you want the data. This figure is one. Yeah. Yeah, here. So when okay, one more thing. Now you this one you have written the open SQL. Okay. Also, this one is your open SQL. Now you can go in. So as this one is your backend. It is converted like left outer. So you are giving association, but it is converted into left outer side. So this one is why it is not working. Yeah. So backend is this. While checking for other, suppose I want to check what is the SQL queries was generated backend. So this is the SQL query generated in the backend. Left outer many to many. Yeah, here it is the many to many join. Many to many join. So like that, you can also check your standard one, how it is generated. So every association is in backend, it is generated as a inner or left outer join as per your cardinality. Whatever the cardinality you have mentioned, as per that, it is generated. So why we are going to use the association? Why we can't use the inner join? So this is like demand based. Demand based means how suppose I will explain in the example. Yeah, one more feature in association, you can drill down. Suppose there is header data you are displaying in the main page. Now, if you will click on the sales order, suppose I will click on the sales order, then it will put item table. So this is the verification of our inner this one association. Suppose I'm running this. So, yeah. So this one is good one, good example of association. Here I have minimum max and maximum 0, 1. These are the possible cardinalities in our association. Apart from this, other is not Like you want to zero relation, you can't do it. One to one relation, there is not one to one relation is also. Yeah, minimum and maximum relation it should be there. So this is our association. Yeah. In drill down, I want to show, but then it's on my so first. Okay, let me show this one. Association. Johnny also association. Yeah, this one I'm just showing. Okay. Accept. Start. Support. I will comment. Okay. Now I will export this. See here. Sales and product. If you go down together. Yes. Check this out. Right. Comment. Okay, let me go. Now, in AC11, there is a when we are defining a table, SC11, A, suppose there is a currency field WBARS. What is it name? WPARK. WRK. WA, WARK. So this is our currency field. So in currency field, we have to give some reference actually. See here, this is the amount. Amount means any value. Amount should be in some currency. So this currency is reference table and reference field assignment here. Then only it will work. So here means it will define like this INR or USD like that. So how to configure this thing in our CDS view? So there is a semantic attributes we can define in our CDS view for the currency field. So currency field is available in our GPAK, correct? So you can give like head doors, head door, and head dot. Yeah, now it's coming. And if we go to bar, suppose I'm taking anything of the bar. And as I can display the postcard and this one and not. So these are the list of fields. Now you can see here there is an error, means for the amount field, it is asking some reference information. What it should be like INR, which currency they want, some currency cemented. So there is like symmetric amounts you can pass here and here. Or currency. And what is the field name? Above one is field name. Seven, eight, eight. So it's still some error. Yeah, now it is removed. So no comma. This is the field name you have to give. Above one is field name and semantic amounts we have given for this amount field. But amount field is in item type. or I don't ever, it's simply not ever. Let me check. I got it. Okay, this is the total amount. So now it is USD. And also we can take uh, this one is currency and one more is there for the reference field. That one is for something else. Let me check this reference field. Yeah, it is not there in this table. Okay. So this is our and what is more beautiful thing is this one. So this is the association. Okay. For interactive association, I will explain you. Okay. Right now, I am missing something. I will explain for the interactive association. And now, now I want to do some association with material description of stuff like that. So I will can start. Okay. Uh, yeah. So yeah, MAKT, MAKT on. So I will put as uh, material. But now I will give you one condition on uh, not item item dot and yeah, I will here now something like this. I will do that for under dot and that. So here is some error. Here it is mentioning association item cannot be used in the on condition. Correct? So here some what is there? So we get some but yeah, projection. So now I'm looking projection. Processing. Yeah, this one. Okay. So, this one. Processing dot. Yeah, now error has been solved. Now I will explain this snap also. So I will show it. So here you can see define view entity. This is sample 005 is created view entity, and they are using the view entity of 004, right? From select from this view, and this is the item view. Now it is doing the association with MAKT, right? So directly you can't put here in on condition. It will give an error actually. Suppose I will this thing I can't write, right? Let me copy. I can't copy it. Yeah, here in below snap. So compare these two snaps. So in 11 line number, there as alias name given, right? And that alias name is putting here item dot matnr. So now it is like that. If you are not using alias, if you are not using alias, then you have to use projection. If you are using projection, no need of alias. But here you are joining only two tables, right? Here what I'm doing, I'm joining three tables, correct? Suppose I have put the alias there, but still it is giving some error, right? Because this is one after BBA, BBAK and BBAP. They will use and create one view, and then again they will use the association with MAKP. While doing association with MAKP, if I will put this item here, then it will give an error. Right. So what I have done, I have used the projection here. There is no way actually. So right now I will here underscore MAP dot yeah, and the thing X. This is the description, correct? Yeah, this is the description. Why this error? So let's check association and context. Property. Yeah, yeah, property. So yes, enough. Let me run this. Let's create one more view. Okay. Once here I'm taking some software. So next class I will explain you like how we can consume one CDS view to another CDS view, and also I will explain like how we can.
Hello,
Yeah, hello.
hello.
Yeah, my yeah, battery got drained actually. Yeah, so did you got this association and inner zone how it works, right? Hello,
Hello,
sorry.
hello.
Okay. So where you didn't got anything?
Hello, Ankur. I am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, audible.
Yes, in the last CDS where you use that association star.
This is the association I have used.
Yes. Can you show how it will work?
Okay, let me understand like you have got you have like understand this inner zone, outer zone.
Yes,
Inner zone and outer zone is you have got, right? And
yes,
association you have still like some confusion, correct?
yes, yes,
Okay, so you are like you know right how left outer and inner zone is working, correct?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, okay. So association is like same, it will be same only. Means in backend it will be left outer join only. But association is like a demand based. Like if record is suppose in header table there is a record. In item table there is no record. So you can use the cardinality. As per the cardinality, it will fit the database. It is like that. Suppose there is a no record in header table. See this. I will remove this limited detail. Yeah, here. So in association, this is the header, this is the item. Okay. So if you are putting header as a cardinality one is to star. Star means it above having multiple records. Item having multiple record and header having one record.
Okay.
So yeah. So like this association will work actually. Suppose there is in header table, there is a record in item table, it is not there. Then it will not hit the database. In inner join, left outer join, it will hit the database. Okay.
Mm.
Now you got
Yeah. Okay.
it will not hit the database.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It will extract the data from BBAK.
Okay.
Suppose I will put like this and this. Okay. And I will put here. Now, if I will activate it, again, and now this SQL queries. Here, header table, I'm extracting all the data. See here from BBAK. Where is the inner join with item table? You can able to see
Yes. Yes.
there is no inner join or left outer join, right? Correct?
Yeah.
So association not called the item table. Correct? Now I will include this item. Sorry. Okay. So like that I will move. Okay. This one I will add and here I will add and this one. Okay. Now I will activate it. Now I can display this so SQL. See here, when you have placed some field, right? You have placed some item field, right?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
the item field. Now it is calling the left outer join.
Left out. Okay.
Association will call on the demand. Now I have shown this in syntax wise. Also in data level, like whenever you will put the trace, right? Because in both table there is a record, right? So I can't able to show you. I have to find the test cases where in BBAP there is a record and BBAK there is a record and BBAP there is a no record, right? In runtime. So in STA05, if I will put trace and I will check, right? If there is a record, material and postnar in the item table, then only it will call the BBAP table. Like that, an association works. So it is called demand based. Whenever the demand, then only it will call. If there is no necessary, it will not call. And also we have some semantic uh, features here. I will show you in here, right? Here I have some test cases. Let's click profile. Okay, I have to mention like that. Then only drill down. Next class I will explain you how drill down will work in association. This is also one features in the association. It is working the drill down report. Like in first page, header detail will come. In next, if you will click on the sales order, then the item detail will come. This is called drill down in the association. It's working. Yeah, in the standard one, we can able to see it. Then I will explain. Otherwise, it's now this is the association. Yeah, this one also I want to explain you. For this and so now you got the association, right? Now I have to explain you the cardinality part, how cardinality works, right? Correct?
Yeah. Ankur, can you also share this document?
Yeah, document. I will
We
share
can
you.
practice. Yeah. In chat only you can share.
That I don't have access, right?
Okay.
Because you
Can you send me then?
wait one for that.
Okay. Okay.
So if you have if you have not mailed me right now, till
Mm-hmm.
now,
Can you send me?
this one I have want to create actually. Then I can explain you the cardinality part, how it works. Yeah, I have sent you the email. Okay. And for the rest, you can forward it.
Okay, Ankuru.
Okay. So shall I explain quickly or like later I will explain? This document is not well written. If you knows, then only you can understand. Yeah, this part. Okay, one thing I can do. Okay, let's start. So, let's select this material that association association star star with over to make it as description, right? Now I will use this. So P will be our MAT dot MAR and ES dot MAT, correct? Now I will activate it. That old error. What is the error? Check error. Okay, MES material. Let's see. Yes. 104. Yeah. Same code I have copied here. It is working, but there. But yeah, once it is activated. So here you can see material, lots of material one. So I will copy this material and I will run this. Okay. Where is your code? To this. Now I have put it star. There is like cardinality is star. Okay. Yeah. So there is three records. So you check, right? I will include one more field. Okay, then it will be here. Suppose I will put here this dot, sorry, this dot language. Okay. Activate. Yeah, see here, this is Germany, this is France, this is English. So for all record, it is displaying. So Now, here is minimum to maximum. Like minimum to maximum is what? Suppose स्टार मीन्स मिनिमम आल्सो मैक्सिमम आल्सो कम से कम रिकॉर्ड और ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड जो भी हो सब डिस्प्ले करो ये सर अभी 1.1 1-to-1 रिलेशन इसमें देखिए क्या होता है इसमें ये आएगा रिकॉर्ड ओके here where condition suppose yes for language okay control shift a MKT is MKT now I will execute this so E apart from E here I will not equal to one. Yeah, so we can see here Q. What is Q? Q, right? I will put Q. Okay. So here I will put S or here nothing is counted. Okay, 1-to-1 relation. Now, what I will do, I will put start. There is another, any other option is also to put filter is This is another way to filter sources. See, now from here, there is no record, right? Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I will create some scenario, okay? And let me
Hmm.
explain you more importantly part.
Okay.
Yeah, any doubt can be association right now. All right, only cardinality part is left, right? Hello?
Yes, Ankur. Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, hello. So you
Yes.
can
Yes.
tomorrow I will come with all the scenario, okay? For
Okay.
association.
Okay.
If you have any question, right, put in chat, okay? Tomorrow I will cover it.
Hmm. Okay, Ankur.
Okay. So you can stop recording.
Yes. Yes.